Hi everyone, welcome back to Book Summary. Today we're diving into the 7th chapter of Napoleon Hill's classic book, Think and Grow Rich. This chapter is all about how to turn your desires into actionable plans. It's titled Organized Planning, the Crystallization of Desire into Action. Let's get started. So, what is organized planning? Napoleon Hill emphasizes that having a clear desire is not enough. To achieve your goals, you need a well-structured plan. This chapter breaks down how to create and execute these plans effectively. First, Hill talks about the importance of assembling a mastermind group. This is a group of individuals who support and encourage you. They bring in different skills and perspectives which are essential for creating a solid plan. Hill stresses that no one achieves great success alone. Surround yourself with people who can help you refine and execute your plans. Next, let's talk about the steps to creating your plan. Hill outlines several key actions. 1. Define your objective clearly. Be specific about what you want to achieve. 2. Establish a timeline. Set deadlines for achieving your goals. 3. Develop a list of actions. Break down your objective into smaller, manageable tasks. 4. Assign responsibilities. If you're working with a team, delegate tasks according to each member's strengths. 5. Create a backup plan. Be prepared for obstacles and have a contingency plan ready. Hill also emphasizes the need for persistence. He points out that plans often need to be adjusted as you face challenges. Don't be discouraged if your first plan doesn't work out. Adapt and revise your plans as needed. Another crucial point is the importance of decision-making. Hill argues that successful people make decisions promptly and stick to them. Indecision can be a major barrier to success. Trust your judgment and commit to your decisions. In summary, the 6th chapter, Imagination, the Workshop of the Mind, emphasizes the importance of imagination in achieving success. Hill describes 2 types of imagination, synthetic and creative, and explains how both are essential for generating ideas and solving problems. Hill also gives advice for those seeking employment. He suggests creating a plan for selling services, which is essentially a detailed resume and cover letter that outline your skills, experiences, and what you can offer to an employer. Tailor this plan to the specific job you're applying for, highlighting how you can add value to the company. Finally, Hill reminds us that leadership is a key component of organized planning. Whether you're leading yourself or a team, embodying good leadership qualities is crucial. This includes having a clear vision, being self-disciplined, showing empathy, and being adaptable. In summary, Chapter 7 of Think and Grow Rich teaches us that turning desires into reality requires a clear, organized plan. By assembling a supportive team, defining clear objectives, making decisive actions, and embodying strong leadership, we can crystallize our desires into tangible results. Thanks for watching. If you found this summary helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Book Summary for more insights from Think and Grow Rich. Leave a comment below about how you plan to organize your goals and take action. See you next time.